Okay, guys, it is another beautiful week, and we will be checking out all these assets to know what we should look out for throughout this week. And of course, guys, we will take our time to analyze better just for you guys to know how you can make use of this strategy to also generate signals on your own. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content we are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question down there in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, last week we made a lot of profits within this market, okay? And on Friday, we even made more than what we have been making throughout the week. Okay, that's because we had a lot of trading activities within the Telegram channel, and they all played as predicted. Okay, so that's so amazing. So guys, we hope for more opportunity to, I mean, throughout this week. Okay, so this particular asset is called gainx 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator on my chart. It is a custom made indicator and helps me to analyze better. Okay, like you guys have known, I love using the trend trading strategy. And of course, the indicator is also using the same strategy. Okay, this particular charts got to the resistance zone at this point, and if you remember, we actually milked this particular asset on downtrend for a very long time throughout last week. So it got to this support zone at this point, and it had been playing around this support zone at this point. Yesterday I said it in my video that if it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back on uptrend. Just the way we have seen it, it broke out below it at this point, and as you can see, it sold more. That is the beauty of you understanding what the market is bringing to you. So for now, this is still selling until it is unable to break out below the next support zone, which is this. Okay, so this is very, very important. We should take note of that. That's gainx 1200. Let's look at gainx 999. This is gainx 999, still on 15 minutes time frame. Gainx 999 also played around there for a while. Okay. Uh, and of course, most especially at this point, but when it broke out below it at this point, it sold more. Okay, it sold more. I actually expected to stop somewhere here, but it's even broke out below it to get to a new support zone and pull back, and of course it will be trying it out again. So this is still selling at the moment. For those that are still with this, then you can still sell more. You can imagine if you are coming at this spot, set your stop loss here, and of course set your entry points where you add your sell points, and of course your um trend showing a downtrend at this point, then you should be in big profit right now. That is the benefit of you using the trend trading strategy and probably using a good indicator like this. Okay, so and of course, let's check out Pnex 1200. Pnex 1200 has been on downtrend ever since it got to this resistance zone, and of course, you can see it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. I gave us this signal on Friday, and of course, you can see we milked it till the very end. Okay, so it broke out below this particular support zone at this spot to sell more. Okay, so right now it is playing around there, and of course, it just broke out above this. Okay, above this trend line. So because it broke out from there, we expect it to buy a bit. Okay, and of course, if it's able to buy a bit, and we expect it to get to this region. Okay, so if it gets there and breaks out above this, then definitely it's still going to buy more right from there. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so now let's check out Pnex 999. Pnex 999 had actually been on uptrend for a very long time, After getting to this support region, it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, gave us the buy signal, and of course, it has been buying right from there. Got to this resistance zone at this point, pullback.